Okay, you're looking at the RC glider. It's like a $15 plane, Amazon. 2-motor, adjustable elevator, manual. There we go. Coming in. Okay. Here we go. You know, it flies around pretty decent. There wasn't no wind at all. Of course, when you give it throttle, it's going to want to climb, so it's balanced between throttle and left and right motor control. Take it where you want to go. Let's bring it in. Landing!
So the control for left and right will change the speed of each prop and will create a turning motion. And then throttle on the left. Elevator doesn't do anything, so the more throttle you give, the higher it'll climb. The less throttle, the more it'll fall. No aileron, so again, differential thrust. No rudder, same thing. Charging port on the bottom, on-off switch. Cool little LED lights here. Easy to put together. You just need to supply, I believe, your own 3 AA batteries. There's a trim button left and right. And I think 2 power modes, performance modes here, on-off switch here. I'm not experienced with flying RC, but we'll give it a shot. Flew into the bush. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Really cool toy.